take you to jail for disorderly conduct in about 30 seconds.
Not.
You're yelling and cussing, so you're going to hush. I'm explaining.
It don't
You're
matter.
Go
She's
to jail.
pregnant and you walking up on her.
I think it's the gas station. Oh.
Thank you.
What's going on?
The cameras back, please.
We came into the store
Okay.
with the candy that she got in her hand.
Okay.
The kids had the candy in their hand. All the kids. All the kids.
Stop.
We came into the store.
Everybody get quiet, but let's go outside to talk, okay?
You gonna make them apologize for what he's saying?
Sure.
We came to the store.
Our kids ate
Our kids had when we came in.
Our kids
I
been
can't
eating.
understand any of you guys.
We came into the store with our kids, okay? Our kids had this when we came into the store. He said our kids stood right here, opened the candy and ate it.
Okay.
They're big
Before, but they came in with that.
Okay. It's not that big of a deal. We'll
To
get
him,
out.
it is, because he tried to call the police and he don't even have the candy in here.
I believe you.
But he needs to apologize to our kids,
Okay.
trying to say that they stole the candy and that they opened and that they ate it.
Okay. All right.
And we spent cash with
And then he tell us that because we didn't have EBT, we supposed to leave. We got cash.
We'll get it figured out. Okay? It's not that big of a deal. It's just blow pop.
Camera recording. They can find
All
out.
right.
will not pull the camera back.
All right.
Listen. Here's what's going to happen, right? We're all going to go outside together,
Yeah.
and we're going to have a conversation about everything
That's
that happened.
it. We'll get it squared
We're not
away.
gonna sit in here where we're
Stop
all
touching.
back and forth. He's going to check this guy out. This guy's waiting to leave.
Stop.
We're not going to hold him in. I do.
We cared too.
So they've told
We told him to go next door. We cared too.
They told you to leave.
We didn't
You
care.
want them to
We
leave
didn't
the store?
We'll talk to you guys outside.
If they don't leave the store,
I don't care.
if they don't leave the store,
We'll talk to you
I'm gonna raise the wall.
outside. We'll talk to you. I want to hear
If
what
they
you
don't leave
have
the
to say.
store.
On December 2nd, 2025, a convenience store dispute escalated into a custodial arrest. The legal question is not who shouted first. The legal question is whether any crime was committed. Sir stated his basis for arrest as, quote, yelling and cussing, end quote.
I'm gonna arrest you for trespass.
That's why we like talking to women, dudes. For
real.
like y'all just. I don't give a
Store. I just want you out of the store. And we can handle everything outside like adults, and then we can figure everything out instead of yelling and screaming. I know, and then we're gonna get through everything. I just need him to be able to check that. That guy needs to be able to leave. You know what I mean? Hey, relax now.
No, you relax. We was
Relax.
because evidently you don't get what the we coming from. So real, you relax. You relax.
That has nothing to do with anything.
You got irritated. You relax.
I'm not.
You relax. You relax.
I don't doubt that. Listen, I don't doubt that.
We got money in our
I'm gonna take you to jail for disorderly conduct in about 30
disorderly
seconds.
not.
You're yelling and cussing, so you're gonna hush.
And you
I'm
walking
not.
up
I'm
on
explaining.
her. It don't
You're
matter.
gonna go
She's
to jail.
pregnant and you walking up on her.
You're gonna go to jail. Now here's the deal. I want to know everything that happened.
I feel threatened.
I'll relax. I want to know everything that happened
Okay,
here.
but you gotta show respect.
I want to know everything that happened, but I'm not going to yell and scream in the
That's fine, but
store.
don't walk up on
So
us
start
because
at the
if we walk up on y'all, then
beginning.
y'all would feel threatened.
Start
so
at the
don't walk
beginning
up on me.
and tell me what
We walked
happened.
into the store.
Okay.
The children already had the candy in their hand. Okay.
From out here?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a store over there.
Okay,
The children
good.
already had the candy in their hand.
Okay.
We proceeded to pay for our stuff. He wanted
Okay.
to wait until we leave out the store and say, "Oh, the children with the candy." So we like, what candy? They already paid for
came
that.
from
That
there.
candy, yes.
Okay.
They already had the candy.
right.
He said the kids opened the candy and ate it in the aisle. How?
But it came from that
But
store.
it came from the store over
Okay.
there. He's like, oh, I
I'm
can
gonna
run
walk
it back
over
on the
there.
camera. I can run it back on the
I'm
camera.
going to walk over there and just check and make sure that they bought it there, and then I'll be right back.
I'm trying to
You get what I'm saying?
All the background. I'm not
And that's why
yelling.
I'm trying to tell everybody to bring it down.
Huh?
I'm going to
not
go
yelling.
over here.
He's not saying that I'm yelling.
I'm going to
talking
go
so
over
you can hear
here.
me, right?
I definitely can hear you.
Okay.
I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to see if that you guys bought that candy from
I mean,
there.
I didn't buy it from there. I think
No,
my
that's
friend
fine.
here had it.
That's fine. There's a bunch of kids here,
yeah.
so I'm going to walk over there, and then I'll come back. Okay?
You can tell you Z.
That's what I just told her I'm going to go do.
Go ask Z. Z know my
Jeez.
kids.
Good Lord.
You work in the barbershop.
Hey, I'm going to go to the store here,
Okay.
and I'll be back.
What's up? You mind if I come around? Did anybody talk to you yet, boss? Just a little hard to talk between the screen.
Man, that's
Did anybody talk to you yet?
not yet.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay, they came in like 3-4 kids, like little kids also. I tell them I don't have EBT. So don't mess in my product of that if you don't buy with EBT. the kids playing so many on the candy. They put it, grab it, and one lady, they buy with the cash something. They give it back. And other kids, everybody has like 2-3 toy candy on hand.
Toy candy,
Yeah, try to walk out on the door. And I just stop them. Hey, my friend, this is put it back. This is mine. They don't pay this one. Why I'm telling that? That's the problem. They're scared after that happened.
Okay.
And then see that how messy? They throw everything on the counter from there.
That was from out there?
Right, yeah.
All of this?
All of them.
What used to be out there?
Out there, yes.
Is that after you stopped them?
I'll stop them, yeah.
Okay.
Then all through there, it's like they stop my other customer. I was a line like she hearing the house yelling. Any time I talk, try to any word talk, I can talk it.
That's why I came in here. I can't do that right now. It's too much. They can't talk normally. Okay, so some of the kids put the stuff back.
They did some of one a hand.
And some still had them.
A head on a hand.
And they were going to walk out, so you stopped them.
Yes.
That made them blow up.
Right.
That's easy.
And then they
All right, here's the deal. Hey, buddy.
threw all that stuff.
Right.
Hey. Yes, sir. Got a question for you.
Go ahead, boss.
There's a couple ladies here, had a bunch of little kids.
Yes, sir.
Did they just buy some candy here from you?
A little boy.
Yeah, one little boy in a white t-shirt.
Yeah, he bought this one. He bought a bubble gum. The little boy bought a bubble gum and he bought this candy.
Perfect. Thank you. How many of those were bought? Do you know?
One.
One of those was bought, and then a bubble gum, and then there was some other little kids with them too.
No.
Okay, so it was just that one.
Just that
Perfect.
one.
Thank you.
So did we steal?
All right. So he said that they bought one of the bubble things
No, we
and
bought
bubble gum.
two.
So I just asked.
We bought
So
two.
I'm just going to double check and make sure his camera doesn't show something different. And then we're going to move forward with here and we'll get everybody out of here.
You're gonna apologize.
Okay.
That's all we're gonna do.
Well, I can't make him apologize to you. So, like,
Another day. Trespass. Take us to jail. We don't care. To jail. We don't care.
okay, well, that's easy. All right, here's the deal. Hey, buddy, where you at?
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
So like if you don't take anything, it's fine.
The neighbor over here
Yeah.
sold him candy.
Yeah. No, that's fine. They buy from there. Doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
I had the candy there to so many. They're playing with that and try to walk with the some candy of that too. And I stop it. Okay, please minor, put it back.
Okay.
Other whatever is yours, you take it. You buy two candy, take the two candy. Why I'm telling that? That's the happened.
Okay.
After that, the reason for not a candy because one lady, she was my neighbor the next time on that plaza. She tried to fight with my wife on
Yeah.
kids. One night I called for them and I leave this place because I can leave this environment the last year.
Yeah.
She doesn't come my store like oftenly. Like she
Yeah.
came in today with this situation making it crowded. That's the happened. There's nothing wrong with the candy because it's very simple. If he doesn't take it, that's fine. I just tell them, okay, this is your, go ahead, it's fine. That's why I say that took mine as a bet.
Gotcha.
That is the point.
Okay, so you just want relief. That's it.
No, I want to trespass too. I need a paper too.
And they
Okay.
decided to throw all of that
all
stuff.
of the from the counter and
They threw it all there. Okay.
Yeah.
You want them trespassed? The adults trespassed, the two women, or the three women, and that's it.
And all kids. I don't like
Okay.
to let them come in my store.
Okay.
Yes.
Very easy.
Because they came in next time, they make it again happen this situation.
Sure.
So that's not,
anything because you stopped.
yeah.
Sure. All right. All right. He just wants trespasses.
That's
For everybody to be
and we
done.
just want apology. We want apology
So-
though, but I don't come over
He
here.
needs to apologize.
I don't come over here. So we gonna trespass because he accused us of stealing.
And we didn't even steal.
We
It's
don't give
the
a. We don't
disturbance
need to
and the
serve him.
candy
We
and
just
all that
anyway.
stuff.
We was walking
didn't
out
go
the
to
door.
jail.
Listen,
We were
here's the
already
deal.
out the door.
Are you going to give me your names for a trespass warning? Okay, then you need to leave the property now.
We went over
Listen,
there with him. and
he
we
wants
started
you
on the counter.
trespassed. Are
One
you
by
going to give
one.
me your name for the trespass warning or no? Then if you don't vacate the property, you're going to go to jail.
Let's go. It's supposed to serve and protect, right?
If you don't leave the property, I appreciate your opinion. You're about to go to jail. You need to walk. That's fine. I'll be a bad corporal. All right, I'll suck today.
Basis must be measured against Florida Statute 877.03. Statute punishes acts that corrupt public morals or breach the peace of those who witness them. Florida's Supreme Court narrowed that statute in State v. Saunders, 1976. Saunders held that pure speech violates the statute only in two narrow circumstances: fighting words likely to produce an immediate violent response, speech equivalent to falsely shouting fire in a crowded theater, or offensive speech standing alone falls outside the statute. Supreme Court reinforced this principle in City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Hill held that the First Amendment protects significant verbal criticism directed at police officers. Constitutional baseline is clear. Yelling at police is not by itself a crime. The fighting words doctrine traces to Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 1942. Chaplinsky requires face-to-face words likely to incite an immediate breach of peace. Generalized profanity, not aimed at provoking a specific person, does not qualify. Footage, the profanity used was diffuse and non-targeted, does not meet the Chaplinsky standard, and therefore remains protected speech. The first threat occurred at 1 minute 51 seconds for trespass. After warning is governed by Florida Statute 8.09. Statute requires that an authorized person give notice to depart before arrest. At the moment of that first threat, no formal trespass warning had yet been communicated. The threat preceded the legal predicate that would have made it lawful. Trespass warning was eventually issued at the 9-minute mark of the encounter. From that point forward, continued presence on the property became a chargeable offense. Itself, if charged solely on trespass after that warning, has a defensible basis. Disorderly conduct threat, by contrast, never developed a defensible basis on this record. Probable cause analysis under the Fourth Amendment requires more than officer irritation. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, permits arrest for minor offenses. But Atwater presupposes that a chargeable offense actually exists under state law. Without an underlying offense, the arrest authority of Atwater does not attach. A separate constitutional issue arises from the subject's photograph of the license plate. Photographing a vehicle tag from a public roadway is protected expressive conduct. Versus Cuniff, First Circuit 2011. Recognize this right clearly. Fields v. City of Philadelphia, Third Circuit 2017, reinforced it. The subject stood on the public road. The photograph was constitutionally protected. She stood on the property after a valid trespass warning. The calculus changes. The Bodycam itself is the most reliable record of her physical location. Used during arrest must satisfy Graham v. Connor, 1989. Graham requires objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment. Reasonableness incorporates the severity of the offense, the threat posed, and resistance offered. The underlying offense here is a misdemeanor. The threat level on this footage is verbal. Physical resistance is not audible on the available record. She also stated multiple times that she was pregnant during the encounter. International Association of Chiefs of Police guidance addresses pregnancy in custody. Officers are expected to avoid abdominal compression and prolonged prone restraint. Stated pregnancy adjusts the Graham analysis by altering the cost side of the force calculation. The subjects refused to identify themselves when asked for the trespass warning. Florida does not have a standalone stop and identify statute for ordinary citizens. Refusal to identify is not by itself a separate criminal offense in this state. However, refusal complicates the issuance of a written trespass warning by name. Does not, on its own, supply probable cause for any new charge. Officer's grade is C-. The reasoning is straightforward.
I suck.
Oh, I think they left because I can't hear them anymore, so. Oh. Yeah, Lord, this is the first thing I came to. I'm not in the mood yet. Yeah, me neither. I should have had a ghost before I came here.
Watch what Dotson does. He's going to arrest her.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Stop. Come here.
Why are you arresting her? Why is he arresting me? No, I only got your information. I didn't trespass. So why is he arresting pregnant? So don't touch me. He sucked.
We'll get it stopped.
You suck. You suck. You suck. Okay, stop. Stop.
We know.
She is chill. All I did was take a picture to get his information.
He was told to trespass after warning.
I wasn't on the property.
All right, come on. Stop. You're going to get more.
You just came up here with the energy to arrest. She didn't even get on the property. She went over there and stood in the road. No, she did not. She stood in the road and took a picture of your tag. What are you talking about?
North Greenwood sub.
No, she was not.
There you go. North Greenwood sub.
That's crazy.
Can you look at the body cam now?
Officer's grade is C-. The reasoning is straightforward. Verifying the candy purchase at the neighboring store reflects sound investigative practice. Refusing to engage with racial provocation reflects sound professional judgment. Threatening disorderly conduct arrest for protected speech contradicts binding precedent. Threatening trespass arrest before issuing a trespass warning gets ahead of the legal predicate. Complainants receive a C. Their grievance was partially substantiated by the investigation. Tactical choices, however, foreclosed peaceful exits that remained available to them. Refusal to identify converted a survivable encounter into an arrest. Store clerk receives a B. He used law enforcement rather than physical confrontation. Disclosure of a prior personal dispute aided the officer's credibility assessment. D1 for officers. The stated basis for arrest must match the elements of the statute. Yelling is not, in Florida, an element of any disorderly conduct offense. 2 for officers. Issue the trespass warning before threatening the trespass arrest. Reversing that sequence weakens the legal record even when the eventual arrest is sound. 3 for citizens. Speech rights are real, but exercising them is not always strategic. Refusing to identify during a trespass warning closes the peaceful exit. 4 for everyone. A bodycam recording protects both sides when used carefully. Same footage that documents officer conduct also documents subject conduct. 5. Property owners may exclude, customers may complain, police may not improvise statutes. Each role has clear legal limits. This encounter blurred all three at once. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.